Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio on Windows 10. So friends, first of all we have to download Visual Studio, then we can install it. Okay, here to download Visual Studio, download Microsoft Visual Studio, press enter. Now you can see here first option, download Visual Studio, click here. So friends, you can see there is a three option: community, professional, enterprise. So friends, you have to download community version. So we have to, because we have to download free version. So now click on free download. So friends, you can see Visual Studio Setup installer downloaded here. So we have to run this. Just double click on it to run installer. It's an installer, friends. It will download the image. Okay, so you can see this is installer here. So click on continue to download. First it will download from Microsoft sites. Now friends, you can see downloaded completed here. So friends, in workload you will see there is a tool here. Which tool you have to download here? So we have to download here for desktop and mobile. So friends, we have to download and install .NET Desktop Development. Okay, just select here. Now if you want to desktop development with C++, then you can also select this. Okay, so it's contain multiple tools here: .NET tool for .NET, .NET framework, entity, .NET profile, just-in-time debugger, multiple things. So it's contains a total space required 7.66 GB. Okay, so friend, you can see location, install path here. So you can change from here, but I'm leave it as it is. So friends, I'm going to select install while downloading. Okay, there is also option download all then install. Now click on install. So you should have internet connection to install it. Okay, now click on install here. Now friends, downloading and installation is started here. So friend, you can see it's installing the package at the same time. Okay, after it's installing the package, after download the package. Now friends, installation completed here. Now friends, you can see we have successfully installed Visual Studio Community 2022. Okay, so now you can modify here, or you can uninstall from here. Okay, so we have to launch here. Click on launch. Now friends, it's asking to sign in. Okay, so I'm not going to sign in, just skip for this now. Okay, now we have to choose theme, color theme. So I'm choosing here blue. Now development setting is general. You can select here JavaScript, Visual Basic, C++, Visual, anything. Okay, so I'm keeping this general. Now click on start Visual Studio. This may take few minutes. We can get started. You can get start, open local folder, open project or solutions. You can create new project here. Okay, or you can click on continue without code. Okay, now friends, you can click here continue without code. Okay, so you can see Visual Studio has been updated here. Okay, we have multiple themes here. So friend, now you can create new project from here, like go to file, create new projects. Okay, you can select repository. So click on new project. Now here you can create multiple project, like console app, class library, .NET framework. Here you will see window form app, WF, multiple things here. So you can create multiple projects from here. Okay, project types here: cloud, desktop, library, mobile, anything. Okay, so friends, in this video you have seen how to install Microsoft Visual Studio on Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.